Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your inbox is drowning in unwanted or spam emails, don't worry. Today, I've got you covered. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to block an email address in your Hotmail, now known as Outlook, so you can finally keep your inbox clean, organized, and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Hotmail or Outlook account. Head over to your browser and type Outlook login in the search bar. Click on the official Microsoft 365 Outlook link. Once you're there, sign in using your Hotmail email address and password. Quick tip, double check that your caps lock is off to avoid any sign in errors. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. From here, go to the Mail section. You can either click the mail icon or directly visit outlook.live.com/mail. Now, open the email from the sender you want to block. This helps confirm that you're blocking the correct address. Here's the important part. Blocking the sender. Right-click on that unwanted email in your inbox. From the drop-down menu, choose Block. Outlook will instantly add that address to your blocked list, meaning you'll never see emails from that sender again. It's that simple. No more spam, no more clutter. And just to clarify, blocking someone doesn't delete old emails from that sender. It only stops new messages from reaching you. So, if there are any old ones you don't want, you can manually delete them afterward. Use this feature wisely. It's great for blocking persistent spam, scams, or anyone you just don't want emailing you anymore. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block someone on your Hotmail or Outlook account in under 2 minutes. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and share it with someone who might need this tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.